what's up guys? Today we're here at the one and only Midnight Pit Stop. The vibe is crazy and the cars here are crazy too. Every crazy car in Kenya is here, including a Trackhawk AMG, Black Series AMG with an inbuilt cable, some really big SUVs for AMGs. There's even a ton of bikes, numerous amount of BMWs. Plus there's some people who come with a modified car like this. What is it? Toyota Leon? There's also a ton of M5s and Mark X's. The only one of one here is the BMW M8 competition and even the 911 Dhaka. There's also JDM Legends like this one. Nissan GTR 35, really nice. And this one's actually rare to see. Supra MK4. This car is actually so beautiful. See this on the road, be sure it will gap you. Wait a minute. This is actually a Land Cruiser VX V8. The body kit makes it look so different, so nice.